Hey beauties, it is your girl, Jessica Nicole. And in today's video, as you guys can see, I am starting off with absolutely nothing on my face. I know I told you guys I was going to post on Friday. If you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, you guys saw that I got a brand new camera. Now, I'm not filming on the brand new camera right now. It's more things that I need to get. When I tried recording with that camera, just wasn't working out for me because I'm so used to this camera. So there's more equipment that I need to buy in order to work with that camera. So the footage that I had that I was recording to post on Saturday was crappy as hell. So I decided that I'm going to use this camera, what I have now, which is a Samsung NX Mini, for everybody that writes in my comments and asks me all the time. I'm going to be using that for now until I get all the equipment I need to work with my Canon camera, which I have a T6. So that's besides the point. As you guys can see, I'm starting off with nothing on my face. That is because I will be trying out a new foundation today. I doubt I will be able to give you guys a wear test because I am recording later than I expected because my package came later than expected. So I'm sorry. I did not swatch it. I did not do anything. I am super nervous. But before we get into the video, we want to shout out the gang. Y'all are everything. Y'all are always here. I love y'all, and y'all are the reason why I am always here because y'all bang with me so much. Y'all make sure y'all notified to see when I post my next videos, and my nails look super long right now. So right now it is super hot in New York. It is 80 degrees and up, and my AC is loud as hell. So I have to use a fan. My fan is somehow not as loud as my AC. So I'm sorry guys if you hear a lot of noise in the background. I didn't start it yet, but if you hear a lot of noise in the background, it's because I put on my fan. Let me go grab my drink because I made a mojito and it's popping and stuff. No, some of y'all gonna say that this is gonna make me hotter. It probably will. Oh, I took all the mint and stuff out of it. It probably will. Such is life. Let me go prime and color correct off camera just to cut some time out, and then we'll get started. It's good. Let's get started. So, ordered the ColourPop foundation offline. Alright, so I was trying to trust them, so I only ordered one foundation offline. Now, the way that I ordered the foundation, as you guys can see from the title, I ordered it through the little foundation match thing that they have going on their website where you match it to other foundations that you own. Now, I do not own the Fenty anymore, but I know that I was either 410 or 420, so I used that. I used my MAC ones, and I think they had the double wear and another one. I don't remember what the other ones are, but I know I used the MAC because I used to wear MAC a long time ago, very long time ago, and the Fenty foundation. So when I did that, they told me that I was dark 175 each try that I got. So I'm trusting them to tell me that I'm dark 175. Now, this is a tinge darker than my skin tone, but again guys, I always tell you I use my foundation a little bit darker than my skin, so when I highlight and contour, everything evens out for me. I do that personally. Again, whatever you guys want to do, that's your prerogative. I wish this had like a top on the pump. Okay, so I'm gonna try this out. Let's see. This is pretty red. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys what the color was described as so that you guys understand why I'm feeling a way about this being really red. Okay, so this is what was getting me confused. So dark 75 was warm foundation with rich golden undertones for dark skin, right? But then I was looking at 170, and 170 says cool foundation with reddish undertones for dark skin. So I'm not expecting this to be as red as it is, being that they said 170 has reddish undertones and then this has rich golden undertones. I'm not seeing really yellow golden undertones coming from this foundation. I'm seeing more red, but hey, this is what I have, so this is what I'm gonna try. So let me just, whoa, this is pretty dark. Okay, so this is darker than I expected. So with my NARS foundation, it is darker than my skin tone, and that is because, again, I like my foundation darker than my skin, but it is super golden. It doesn't come off as red as the ColourPop foundation does. So this is the NARS foundation, you can still see like the yellow golden undertones. And then tiniest amount. This right here is the ColourPop foundation. So this is my NARS, this is my ColourPop. They are similar, but I just feel like the ColourPop is way more red. Again, this is all I have, so I'm gonna use it for the video. I don't have a choice. And y'all know me, I'm gonna finesse it anyway, so I don't know why I'm complaining. I'm gonna finesse the foundation. I'm probably gonna end up keeping it because once I finesse it and I see how nice it looks, I'm gonna want to keep it. Alright, so using Dark 175. I wish ColourPop would have sent me a package so that I would know what my color really is. This is gonna stress me out. Okay, so I did 2 pumps, but I'm just putting some dots all over my face so I could evenly like blend this out. So far, what I've heard is even though the foundation is liquidy, it has like amazing coverage. I feel like I'm gonna look really Oompa-Loompa-ish, and I am. Oh Lord, not seeing full coverage, but I am seeing coverage. So the coverage is not bad, and you can layer it. Perfect. It is pretty lightweight. I don't feel it, but it doesn't look as matte as they explained it to be. So hopefully when I powder it down, it will be matte. Otherwise, I'm gonna be sad. Okay, so I'm gonna use ColourPop concealer to see how well it works with the foundation. I mean, it's supposed to work with the foundation because same company, but you know. So I did order number 46 because 42 was too light for me for the summer. So I bought 42, but I have, 46, but I have 42 just in case I have to lighten up 46. And, ooh, I love color 46. 46 is way more golden than 42. And I put too much concealer on again. Alright, so I have 46 on. I'm just going to put a little bit of 42 right here. Just to get a little more brightness. I'm going to take my beauty blender and... Oh, wait. I don't know if I get my contour of my cream contour, which is the Black Opal Foundation Stick in Suede Mocha. Alright, boom. I'm gonna just blend this out really quick before it settles in and I can't blend it. Even 42 is a bit bright. What the hell? I don't know how to feel. The viewfinder doesn't look bad, but in person, I feel like I'm starting to look a little gray. You know, regular routine, gonna set. I'm gonna use a yellow powder. I feel like I need a bit of it, so I'm gonna use my Sacha buttercup. Setting the rest of the face with my matte powder in dark. And this is my e.l.f. flat top powder brush. So some foundations set very weird when I use just plain mineralized skin finish on top of the foundation. Like it won't set, but this like sets immediately, and it allows it to bring color to my skin. Okay. Okay, it does not look bad. Like the foundation shade does not look bad at all. Okay, so let me just quickly fly through my brows, my eyes, and my lashes. I'm gonna do it on camera just so you guys can see it, but it's not about this right now. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Bronzing up with my Vera Moore powder in antique brown. I'm gonna look for a different bronzer once I run out of this. I've had this for a long time, so.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create.
Amrezy highlighter and the contour I use is the same contour I always use, the one from Makeup Geek and Scandal.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the
So I'm gonna use my NYX Suede Matte Lip Pencil. This is in Downtown Beauty.
we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
I'm gonna use a Blankety, my beat up lipstick. Alright, so here is the finished look. I like the foundation. I like the coverage because I don't look for super full coverage. I'm not trying to cover anything up. I don't have much to cover up. My skin is not that bad. So I don't mind medium coverage. Medium to full. That's usually the range that I go in. So the coverage is not bad to me. The website itself for picking foundations, and this is why I do not buy foundations online, it's confusing because the pictures just have me all over the place. And then I thought because they were doing like the foundation match thing that they were doing, I would be safe, but I'm not. So it is what it is. The foundation color is not bad. I just wish it was a little less red and more golden than they explained on their website. I felt like it had more of a red undertone. My face looks pretty flawless. Like, I look super like airbrushed right now. Not as airbrushed as the Covergirl foundation made me look, but I do look pretty airbrushed. Will I wear the foundation? Yes. Do I feel like I should try another color? Yes. For the concealers, which I've been wearing the concealers on and off for a while now, the concealers are super confusing. Like, I have 3 shades to highlight with. I have 40, 42, and 46. 46 looks very, very promising, but when I put it on and it starts to oxidize, it gives me a lighter color. So I don't know exactly what formula or what they're trying to do with the concealer, but once I figure it out, I'll wear it. Otherwise, I just wasted money on 3 concealers. But hey, it is what it is. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my first impressions on the foundation. I apologize that I'm not giving you guys a wear test, but a girl gotta go to the gym, okay? I need to run on the treadmill. I need to get this body right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social media. Hit that notification button so you could be a part of the game. Check out my latest video so that you can see what I uploaded the last time. Hit that subscribe button, or you could just click the picture of me, and then, you know, hey, you'll be a part of the game. But anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.